are doing well. So I am recording this video to show you that was possible I have done. Like first part was that when we open projects like this is AR61 project and open here task section. So here all tasks that are showing. So we want to just show AR6 task that just possible in the help of filter view. We just need to go on filter section and select project section and add like AR6 filter, so then just AR task will be similar this. And when we put open this push bit task, so we will use a filter like here push bit task, so these tasks will be shown here. We can use filter for this purpose. And second point is when we click here in the new acceptance script, uh, when new acceptance, so create a page. So here we add some like name new project. So here we just need to click here in the view detail. So when we select here task in the view detail like sound snapping task, so then automatically project will be shown here. So you can check out in the acceptance criteria page, like open the acceptance criteria page, and this one like new project, this one here are showing. And your third and last point is about description, like when you open this and here in the description like you want to show, uh, but that is not possible, like we can use here in the description section. Here we need to manually put if we want. So I have set up this point.